Can the sun fuel your financial future while saving the planet? Solar energy is more than just a solution to climate change. It's a booming industry that offers exciting opportunities for passive income. With advancements in technology, supportive government policies, and growing global demand for clean energy, investing in solar energy has become one of the smartest ways to secure long-term financial growth. If you're an American interested in harnessing the power of the sun for profit, here's how to start. Why invest in solar energy? Explosive industry growth. Solar energy has been the fastest-growing renewable energy source in the U.S., accounting for 54% of new electricity generating capacity added in 2022. This growth is driven by increasing consumer demand, technological advancements, and declining installation costs. Government incentives, federal tax credits, and state-level incentives significantly reduce the cost of investing in solar projects, making this sector more accessible than ever. The investment tax credit, ITC, allows you to deduct 30% of installation costs from your federal taxes. Reliable passive income. Solar investments offer stable returns through power purchase agreements, PPAs, and renewable energy certificates, RECs, providing consistent cash flow. Ways to invest in solar energy. 1. Install residential solar panels. Installing solar panels on your property is one of the simplest ways to earn passive income. Excess electricity generated by your system can be sold back to the grid via net metering, turning your rooftop into a mini power plant. Tip: use tax credits and financing programs to reduce upfront costs. Companies like Tesla and Sunrun offer solar lease and power purchase options for homeowners. 2. Invest in solar rights. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, that focus on solar energy projects are an excellent choice for hands-off investors. By investing in these trusts, you can earn dividends without the responsibility of managing physical installations. Popular solar REITs include Hannon Armstrong, HOSI, NextEra Energy Partners, NEP. 3. Explore community solar projects. Community solar projects allow multiple investors to fund a shared solar farm. Subscribers earn credits on their electricity bills or receive a share of the revenue generated. This option is ideal for those without suitable rooftops or the desire for direct ownership. Pro tip: many community solar projects have low entry costs, making them accessible to beginner investors. 4. Buy solar stocks and ETFs. Investing in publicly traded companies involved in solar energy is a straightforward way to tap into the industry's growth. Look for industry leaders like First Solar, FSLR, SunPower, SPWR. For diversification, consider solar-focused ETFs such as Invesco Solar ETF, TAN, iShares Global Clean Energy ETF, ICLN. 5. Partner with solar developers. If you have capital to invest but prefer a passive role, consider partnering with solar developers. By funding large-scale solar projects, you can earn a portion of the revenue generated through long-term agreements. Benefits of solar energy investments. Environmental impact: reduce your carbon footprint while supporting the transition to clean energy. Financial stability: solar investments are often backed by government incentives and long-term contracts, offering predictable returns. Market potential: as global energy demand shifts toward renewables, solar energy remains a key driver of future growth. Emerging trends in solar energy: energy storage integration, battery technology, like Tesla's Powerwall, enhances the profitability of solar installations by storing excess energy for peak demand usage. Virtual power plants: aggregating rooftop solar systems into a network allows homeowners to sell stored energy during high-demand periods. Solar-powered EV charging: as electric vehicles, EVs, rise in popularity, solar-powered charging stations are becoming a lucrative niche. Can the sun fuel your financial future while saving the planet? Yes, it can. Solar energy investments not only generate passive income but also contribute to a cleaner, greener world. By taking advantage of government incentives, technological innovations, and diverse investment options, you can turn sunlight into sustainable wealth. Subscribe for more tips on sustainable investing and share this with friends ready to power their future with the sun.